Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this trigonometry word problem. As per the problem, a building of height h is observed from 2 points P and Q that are 105 meters apart as shown. The angles of elevation at P and Q are 40 degrees and 32 degrees respectively. Calculate the height h to the nearest tenth of a meter. We are given this diagram in the problem. The building's height is represented by h and we are shown points P and Q. The first step is to draw this diagram again and analyze it to find the value of h. We can label the point that represents the top of the building as R and the base of the building as S. We are given the angles 40 degrees and 32 degrees. We can use sine law and SOHCAHTOA to find the height of the building h. We should start by analyzing triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is not a right angle triangle. The first step is to find the measure of angle P in this triangle. For that, we should do 180 degrees minus 40 degrees because 40 degrees and angle P are adjacent angles on a straight line. They are supplementary angles. So the measure of angle P is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is equal to 140 degrees. Now we can find the measure of the third angle in this triangle, angle R. For that we should subtract 140 degrees and 32 degrees from 180 degrees because the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. I get 8 degrees. Now we can use the sine law equation to find the length of side RP in triangle PQR. Let's assume the length of side RP is x. We can write the sine law equation with the side length in the numerator. We are given that the distance between points P and Q is 105 meters. So in this triangle, we know the measure of angle R and we know the length of side PQ, which is opposite to angle R. We have to find the length of side RP, and this side is opposite to the 32 degree angle. So the sine law equation is x over sine 32 degrees equals 105 over sine 8 degrees. This is the equation we can solve to find the value of x. We should cross multiply sine 32 degrees to the right side of the equation to isolate x on the left side. Sine 32 degrees times 105 divided by sine 8 degrees is equal to 399.8. And the unit is meters because that's the given unit of the distance from P to Q. Now we can analyze triangle PRS. This is a right angle triangle. We can assume that the building is perpendicular to the ground. So we can use SOHCAHTOA to find the height of the building. For the given 40 degree angle, the building represents the opposite side and side RP represents the hypotenuse. So as per SOHCAHTOA, we can use the sine ratio. Sine 40 degrees equals, the formula for sine ratio is opposite over hypotenuse. we have to find the value of h, and the length of the hypotenuse is equal to x 399.8. We can use this equation to find the value of h. We should cross multiply 399.8 to the left side of the equation. Next, we can multiply 399.8 by sine 40 degrees. I get 256.99. As per the problem, we have to calculate the height to the nearest tenth of a meter. That means we should round this answer to one decimal place. So the final answer should be 257.0, and the unit is meters. This should be the final answer for the height of the building rounded to nearest tenth of a meter. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.